Hey guys, it's me, the hobbyist, and you know what I'm here for today. I am taking you along on my journey of creation, digital creation, and today is actually a very special edition because I'm introducing something I'm working on. It's a long term project. I am working on a children's book. This is going to be an ABC book about plants because I'm obsessed. So why not? So this is A for aloe vera. I'm really excited about this project. I know it's going to be a long-term thing because I'm going to illustrate it. And I know that I have to have at least 26 pictures because there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Ketchup, mustard, if you was confused, I had to make it clear for you. I enjoy creating this not only because, it's for my children's book, but it was like my first time actually like working with the smudging tool in Procreate and really drawing something just by looking at a reference. I didn't trace anything, just looked at a reference, seeing what I could see, um, brought the colors out in the shadows. Very proud of myself with this one, and I'm just looking forward to where this journey takes me. So thanks for listening. Very short video. It didn't take that long to do this one, I guess. But have a good day, guys. Bye.